Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds, where style meets sound. These sleek, lightweight earbuds sit comfortably outside your ears, delivering crystal-clear audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings. Perfect for workouts, commuting, or just enjoying music on the go, they redefine what it means to listen freely. Plus, with long-lasting battery life, your music stays with you all day without interruption. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds. Charging case. USB Type-C to USB Type-A. Charging cable. User manual and quick start guide. Technical specifications. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds feature an open-ear, clip-on earring style design that provides a secure, pressure-free fit for all-day comfort. They're lightweight, made with skin-friendly silicone, and come with IPX5 water resistance, making them great for workouts and light rain. You get 12mm dynamic drivers that deliver clear, balanced sound, while each earbud weighs around 5.1 grams, paired with a compact charging case. For calls, ENC noise reduction helps reduce background noise and keeps your voice clear. The open ear design also keeps you naturally aware of your surroundings for added safety. Touch or button controls make it easy to manage music, calls, and functions, and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a fast and stable connection. The earbuds support SBC and AAC audio codecs, and the ergonomic ear clip design keeps them secure during movement. Battery life offers around 10 hours on a single charge and up to 40 hours with the case, with USB-C charging taking about 1.5 to 2 hours. Product features. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds feature a unique earring-style clip-on design that rests comfortably outside your ears. This open ear layout provides a pressure-free fit, reducing ear fatigue during long listening sessions. At the same time, it keeps you naturally aware of your surroundings, making it safe and convenient for outdoor activities, commuting, or workouts. Powered by 12mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver rich, balanced audio with deep, punchy bass and crisp, clear highs. Every song, podcast, or call comes through with remarkable clarity, allowing you to enjoy an immersive listening experience without the discomfort of traditional in-ear designs. With around 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 40 hours using the compact charging case, these earbuds are built to last all day. Whether you're on a long trip, running errands, or hitting the gym, you can rely on continuous, uninterrupted audio without worrying about running out of power. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a fast, stable, and reliable connection to your devices. The intuitive touch controls make it easy to manage music, adjust volume, answer calls, and switch modes effortlessly, giving you a smooth, hassle-free wireless experience every time. Product overview. The TOZO Open EarRing charging case is designed for total transparency, featuring a front-facing display screen that gives you a clear look at your power levels. You'll see the case's overall battery percentage right in the center, flanked by dedicated L and R status bars that track the charging progress for each individual earbud. Moving to the back or bottom of the case, you'll find the standard USB-C port for quick wired charging, positioned right next to a physical reset button. This button is your go-to for troubleshooting, allowing you to easily clear pairing history or resync the earbuds if you ever run into connection issues. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbud itself features a sleek, user-friendly design with 3 key functional zones highlighted in this diagram. The main outer surface, marked by the TOZO logo, serves as the touch area, allowing you to control your music, calls, and voice assistants with simple taps. Just to the side of this area is a small indicator light, which provides visual feedback on the earbud status, such as when it's in pairing mode or low on battery. Finally, at the very bottom of the unit, you'll find the charging pins, which are the magnetic contact points that connect with the case to refuel the earbud whenever it's tucked away. How to pair? To get started, download the official TOZO app from your smartphone's App Store or Play Store. The app allows you to manage device settings, customize touch controls, monitor battery life, and even update firmware, giving you full control over your earbuds. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. They will automatically enter pairing mode. On your smartphone, turn on Bluetooth and look for TOZO Open EarRing in the list of available devices. Select it to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds indicating pairing is successful. Open the TOZO app and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. You can customize touch gestures, check battery levels, and adjust audio settings according to your preference. After setup, your earbuds are ready to deliver high-quality sound, comfortable open-ear listening, and seamless performance for calls, music, and workouts. How to charge. Plug the supplied USB-C cable into the port on the back of the charging case and connect the other end to a USB power adapter, power bank, or computer. The case indicator lights orange while charging and turns off when fully charged. Earbuds take about 1.5 hours, and the case takes around 2 hours to fully charge. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds feature a lightweight, flexible clip-on design with skin-friendly silicone for everyday comfort. On the other hand, the Huawei Free Clip comes with a more premium C-bridge design using high-quality materials, offering a refined look with a durable and ergonomic fit. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds are equipped with 12mm dynamic drivers that deliver balanced sound with decent bass and clarity, along with basic ENC for calls. In comparison, the Huawei Free Clip offers more advanced audio tuning, clearer vocals, and smarter features like adaptive audio optimization and improved call clarity, making it more premium in overall sound performance. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds provide around 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 40 hours with the case, supported by Bluetooth 5.4 for a stable connection. Meanwhile, the Huawei Free Clip offers slightly lower total battery life, but makes up for it with optimized efficiency, seamless device switching, and a highly stable Bluetooth connection within the Huawei ecosystem. Pros and cons. The TOZO Open EarRing Earbuds offer an ultra-lightweight and comfortable design, weighing around 5 grams per earbud, making them perfect for long listening sessions without fatigue. Their open ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings, while the secure clip-on fit ensures they stay in place during workouts. You get 12mm dynamic drivers delivering balanced sound with clear mids and decent bass, along with up to 10 hours of playback and 40 hours with the case. Features like Bluetooth 5.4, ENC for clearer calls, IPX5 water resistance, custom EQ support, and a smart LED display add to the overall experience, all at an affordable price. However, the earbuds don't feel very premium and lack noise isolation due to the open design, with weaker bass and some sound leakage at higher volumes. battery performance can vary in real-world use, and there's no wireless charging or multi-point connectivity. Call quality is decent but drops in noisy environments. The fit may not suit everyone, and the case is slightly bulky. You also get limited control customization, and while the sound quality is good, it may not satisfy audiophiles looking for a more premium listening experience. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.